So this is the LinkNYC, and say hello to the Empire State Building. Hi. Okay. Hey guys, Mabuhay, it's Maria and welcome back to another New Year's first vlog. It's officially 2024 and I'm so excited. What is your New Year's resolution? My New Year's resolution is to upload more informative vlogs on my channel. So in today's video, I'm starting that right now. New York City sometimes become overwhelming. A lot of people, very fast-paced. So what about if you get lost? You don't know where to go, which hotel is you're located. You don't have Google Maps or Apple Maps. You need an emergency. So how are you gonna call 911? You need an internet access to find out certain things that you needed, to talk to your family or to your friends, to post on your social media. You have to call your friends here in America because you've got lost. And finally, you run out of juice. That is the worst thing ever happened, is that your phone died. So say bye-bye to those questions and panicking if you're visiting New York City, because in this video, I'm going to help you out to solve those questions. This is like the first aid kit if you're visiting New York City. So no worries anymore, as my New Year's resolution is to post very informative videos that can help people visiting New York City. And to start it today, these tips in 2024, which is I'm so excited. Happy New Year. Then please keep on watching. Probably you're wondering, what is this machine? This is not just about an ad playing all over and all over. This machine will save you in case of emergency if you're visiting New York City. This is a LinkNYC communication network that is actually replaced the old New York City payphone. And what does this make this so special? This is, we call it like Wi-Fi hub in New York City. And now we're going to check it out. What is LinkNYC can offer to us? Tap to begin. Welcome. We're gonna have selection of languages: English, Spanish, Chinese, Francois, French, and Russian, of course, English speaker. There you go. It's fully responsive, touchscreen. Everything that you needed is just right here. The public Wi-Fi, which is the most important. Click that one out and the process is going to be here. If you have iOS or Android or laptop, you have a choices right here. They have a local weather report. If you got lost, finding your ways right here. So you have the Google Maps, find a restroom and find a coffee shop, find ATM. So let's check this one, the Google Maps. Oh my God, so you're not gonna get lost. Map is just right in front of you. So awesome. Find a restroom, which is the hardest thing in New York City. See, all the restroom is just right here that is available nearby. Find coffee. So these are all the coffee shops. It will pop it up right now. And also you find ATM, which is the same thing. They will point it out you where is the nearest ATM machine, nearby transit. So you can check it out, the nearby stations, and it will appear all the service status on your area, which is the subway, bus, and rail service status updates. For instance, this is not working or rerouted, everything is here. And also you can plan your trip and everything that you needed, all the MTA, which is the Metro Metro Transit website of New York City is just right in front of you. Even the fares and tolls and maps and schedules and plan work. So everything is you need it is just right here. Also accessibility. If you are handicapped, it's easy. You have this thing that you can help you out right there. Let's try this. Make a free call. So you can even have a free call around America, not just in New York. I'm just gonna try to call my own number if it is gonna work. Let's do this. Oh, the good thing is that it's not showing up your number here. That is very safe. I am calling myself right now, and as you can see, it is working. Let's answer it. There you go. Audio call in progress. Amazing. And I'm gonna hang up. There you go. It's hang up. Oh my God, this is for free. You don't need to pay. You know what? Let's try to call my boyfriend here. It's calling right now. And you can even like put it up your volume. Hey, babe.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Wait, hold on. Okay, I'm using the LinkNYC hub, the machines around the city, and I'm doing a free call right now. So I am run out of the battery. That's the reason why I'm trying to call you, and I think it is working well.
Okay.
Can you hear me well?
Yeah, very low volume, but I can kind of hear you.
Oh, okay. That's really cool. And this is for free. Amazing. We never thought about this.
Yep.
It is actually working. Okay. See you around.
Bye.
I love you. Oh my God, it's actually working so well. We have also New York 311, which is if you have any complaints, what's going on around you and in the city, you can easily call that NYC 311. And about LinkNYC, that did you know? These are being replaced with the 7,500 payphones. There is a, if I'm not mistaken, 2,086 unit of LinkNYC. And you can even check it, LinkNYC website. Where is the nearest available LinkNYC near you? So just type your zip code and everything will show up, the entire New York City, and it's available in 5 boroughs. So yay! And the local community board, which is the community meetings. What is this, a fine health one? Well, these are mostly for unhoused people of New York City. You see, they have this home energy assistance program, basically all for homeless people. You have the access right there. The emergency of the United States is a 911. There's just a press of the button here. You can easily access in case of emergency. You have this audio, but you have to bring your own headphone right here to plug it up. If you wanted to, to listen a video or internet, because there's an internet access here, rather than using the speaker, you can also use this one here when you're calling someone. They have the USB power. There is a 2 USB-A, but there is no plug, so make it a point that you're also bringing your USB-A. You can send feedback if there is a problem on this hub. If you wanted to log it out, just press this icon here, and then it can ask you to end the session, and all application will be closed and your activity will be cleared safely. So if you are scared that your number is going to be saved here, it's no and now. Thank you. Clearing all data and session activity. It's pretty safe. This is not just about for tourists, it's also for locals, which is, we're living in New York City, but this is the first time we actually access this. This is an amazing Wi-Fi hub around the city. So everything that you needed is just right in front of you. If you got lost, if you need an emergency call, if you need anything you needed to know in New York City, there you have it. The LinkNYC will provide what you needed. But don't forget to bring your headphones with you. Also, the USB-A plug. There's a free charging if you wanted to plug your devices. And also around the city, you can find these big maps. So right now I am here. So you can check this one also. If you got lost, it's easily for you to find it out. Where are you? So this is your girl Maria saying salamat, thank you, paalam, bye, and we'll definitely see you on my next video. Bye guys. Bye. I'll try it. It's so hard. Bye. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I'm weak. I'm weak. Did you know that in New York, they have still free newspaper, which is the Manhattan Express? So if you can find a little box, mostly color orange and yellow, you can grab your newspaper and read what's going on in New York City. It's for free. Just get it.